Coming to you, Samit, CDSL is the name that you've picked out for us. Tell us on the charts, what do you see now? The entire capital market theme has been in focus. In fact, CDSL today is trading upwards of 9%. Last 5 days, it has moved up some 14 odd percent. Last 1 month, it has given some stellar gains of 26 odd percent. So the entire capital market theme has been in focus. From here on, since it has run up so much, do you still see more upside left to it?
Yes, certainly looks like. In fact, we saw the stock underperforming for nearly 3 to 4 months time frame. But again, in last 4 to 5 weeks, this stock seems to have found its mojo back. We can see a series of higher highs, higher lows in all time frame charts. And now looking at the daily and weekly time frame charts, we expect the stock retesting its previous highs quite soon. At least for the short term, any decline is likely to get bond into, wherein 1600, 1550 would act as a very strong support. And there's a strong base now has been built around 1400, 1450, which coincides with the 200-day simple moving average as well. So overall, we continue to remain positive on this stock. Use declines to get into the stock, and immediate target would be around 1800, 1820, but sooner or later we expect the stock heading towards its previous high.
Okay, so that's the technical view coming in on CDSL, but let's shift focus to Coal India then. The stock continues to be in focus today. Kanishka, one of its subsidiary, is all set to get listed on the bourses, is it?
That's right, Ashesha. Coal India has filed a DRHP with SEBI for its subsidiary Bharat Coking Coal's IPO, which is going to be an offer for sale of over 46 crore shares. Entire proceeds from OFS will go to Coal India. Also, no fresh equity shares shall be issued in BCCL IPO. Now, this move is a part of Coal India's plan to list its key subsidiaries. Bharat Coking Coal supplies nearly 50% of India's prime coking coal. Now, remember, Coal India had earlier filed the DRHP for CMPDI IPO. Now, Coal India aims to list 25% stake in each BCCL and CMPDI in FY26. The listing is expected to improve autonomy and market visibility for BCCL. Now, following the filing of the DRHP for Bharat Coking Coal, Coal India shares are up almost 1% in trade today.
All right, that's Coal India in focus. Coming to you, Samit, another PSB name that you've picked out for us, Bank of India. Another counter that is headed, that is seen headed towards its 52-week high. Tell us what are you seeing on the charts for this counter?
This particular stock is likely to have some sort of catch-up mode to its peer counters. Recently, we saw some consolidation, and the kind of price and volume activity we have been witnessing since morning. Stock has already given a breakout with a breakaway gap from its recent consolidation phase around 120, and with a short-term view, we expect 130 to 135 to be tasted, and with a slightly broader view, we will not be surprised to see this stock buy this stock, and on the lower side now 110, 115 would act as a very strong support. So.
That's the word coming in on Bank of India. But on that note, we need to slip into a very